Introducing Higgsfield Soul Inpaint.
Oh, wow! Really?
Same soul-style high aesthetic, now with pixel-perfect control. Inpaint anything you want. Clothes, hair, objects, and keep the soul. Welcome back to Ray Creators Lab. Kindly support me by subscribing to my channel. Like and share this video, and ensure you turn on the notification for more content. Let me show you how it works. To get started, go to Higgsfield AI Canvas by following the link in the description of this video. Then, select Inpaint, upload an image and paint the area you want to change. Give it a prompt, and you are done. Let me show you some wild examples of what you can do with Higgsfield Soul Inpaint. Change into the Spider-Man outfit. Blue hair and jewelry. Cool sunglasses. Off-shoulder satin dress. Blue suit. Black Russian ushanka. Orange puffer jacket. So why wait? You can start painting now with Higgsfield Soul Inpaint. Follow the link in this video to get started. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful.